Professor Black Ops, you see it. Let's get it. Citrix with critical bugs. Come on, Citrix. Let's see what's going on. Super quick article. Citrix urges admins to patch critical ADC and gateway authentication bypass. Citrix is urging customers to install security patches for critical authentication bypass vulnerability in Citrix ADC and Citrix Gateway. Under specific configurations, the three vulnerabilities can enable attackers to gain unauthorized access to the device, perform remote desktop takeover, and bypass the login brute force protection. Wow, Citrix, you just kind of just ain't really doing any security today. Note that only appliances that are operating as gateway, appliance using SSL VPN functionality, or deployed as an ICA proxy when authentication enabled, are affected by the first issue, which is rated as a critical severity vulnerability, explains Citrix Security Bulletin. Citrix Gateway is a SSL VPN service providing secure remote access with identity and access management capability, widely deployed in the cloud or on premises company servers. Citrix ADC is a load balancing solution for cloud applications deployed in the enterprise, ensuring uninterrupted availability and optimal performance. Both products are extensively used by organizations worldwide. Three files impact current and previous versions actively supported by the vendor. Citrix is a widely used enterprise product. I worked at a couple big customers. We thought about using it. We were not big Citrix fans, but it is used worldwide for the Citrix. Super hot. CVE 2022-27510, critical severity authentication bypass using an alternate path or a channel, exploitable only if application is configured as a VPN gateway. 27513, insufficient verification of data authenticity, allow remote desktop takeover via phishing. The flaw is exploitable only if the appliance is configured once again as VPN gateway and the RDP proxy functionality is configured. We know RDP, getting that Windows Life on. 27516, login brute force protection mechanism failure, allowing it to bypass. The vulnerabilities only can be exploited if the appliance is configured once again in VPN gateway or a AAA virtual server with max login attempts configuration. Affected customers of Citrix ADC and Gateway are recommended to install a relevant updated version of Citrix ADC and Gateway as soon as possible. Citrix warn. The above flaws impacts the following version: 13.1, 13.0, and 12.1. 12.1-55 and the FIPS modules. Usually these product versions who manage Citrix appliance themselves need to upgrade to the latest available version as soon as possible. That's why you got to keep up on your patching and once again keep up on hopefully the latest patches. Customer who relies on Citrix for cloud-based management service don't need to take any action as the vendor has already applied the security patches. Note that the information about products version before 12.1 have reached their end of life isn't available, so customers using the version are recommended to upgrade to a supported release. Yeah, if you're on an old release, they are not going to upgrade you. They're going to tell you have to upgrade, right? They're not going to backport patches. Once again, Citrix bugs are critical. Let's get it together, Citrix. Professor Black Ops, please subscribe.